How to play Spotify on multiple devices at the same time. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to play Spotify on multiple devices at the same time. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch a Spotify app on your device. Ensure to log into your account. So basically playing Spotify on multiple devices at the same time is not possible even if you have premium Spotify. Having a basic account, student account, family account or premium account won't change this setting. Basically, when you are listening on a specific device, you are only going to have the chance to listen on one device and not to two devices simultaneously. So if you want to go ahead and basically play Spotify on multiple devices, you can simply go ahead and start a jam. For that, tap on profile icon at top left corner, select settings and privacy. Scroll down, select privacy and social, and at the bottom you will get the option for jam. You can simply allow or this feature is the special or the social features on Spotify, which allows you to add different devices to your jam. You can invite people to your jam and listen simultaneously. This is how you can play Spotify on multiple devices at the same time. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.